Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful pair of earrings. They are really easy to make and they're super fun to wear. The list of materials is going to be in the description box. Let's get started. You are going to thread your needles. Remember, you're going to use two. You are going to pass both needles through the hole of your bead. You are going to bring them down and you are going to pass both needles through the loop. You should have two threads. You are going to pass both needles through the bead again. And right now, make one more pass with one needle through the right, one needle to the left. You should have three threads on each side of your bead. We are going to pick up 111/0 and we are going to pass through needles through the bead. You are going to pick up one mini duo on each needle. Make sure both holes of the mini duos are open. Bring them down. We are going to pick up 111 and we are going to pass both needles through the 11. This is what you should have. You are going to pass both needles under the three threads and we are going to sew back up through the 11 that we just add, and you can pass one at a time if you prefer. Make sure your beads stay in the correct place. And we are going to repeat this step throughout the row. Pick up one mini duo on each needle. Pick up 111. Pass your other needle. And we are going to pass both needles under the threads. And we are going to sew up through the 11. Continue repeating this step and I'll be right back to show you how to continue. If you are using the same size of bead that I'm using, you should add 9 11 O's and then stop. If you use a smaller or larger bead, just continue until you get to the bead on the other side. Pick up one mini duo on each side, bring them down. We are going to sew down through the first bead when we started, like the first bead when we started our row. Same thing with the other needle. We are going to sew under the threads. And we are going to sew back up through the same bead. And then we are going to pull tight. Both of our threads are exiting from the 11-0. We are going to sew right thread through the right mini duo, left thread to the left. We are going to sew in a reverse direction through the open hole. Same thing on this side. One needle, it's going to pick up 111 and 1 through 2. The other needle is going to pick up 111. We are going to cross our needles through 2. Each needle is going to pick up 111. We are going to sew through the next mini duos. And we are going to continue throughout the row. One needle is going to pick up 111 and 1 through 2. One needle is going to pick up 111. We are going to cross our needles through 2. Each needle is going to pick up 111. We are going to sew through the next mini duo. And we are going to continue throughout the row. I'm about to add my last 2 11s. We are going to sew through the mini duo and through the 11. Sew through the mini duo and through the 11. Pick up 111, sew through the next 11, through the mini duo and through the following 11. Pick up 111, sew through the 11, the mini duo and the 11. And you are going to continue this step throughout the row. When you finish this side, you are going to start making the same step on the other side pick up one 11, sew through the 11, the mini duo, and the 11. And I'll be right back to show you the next step. I am about to add my last 11, sew through the 11, the mini duo, our thread is exiting from this bead in the center. We are going to come down one more 11. You are going to pick up two mini duos. We are going to cross through the two mini duos. You are going to skip the mini duo. You are going to sew through the next 11 through the Firepolish and back through the 11 on the opposite side. And you are going to repeat this step with your other needle. You are going to sew through both of the mini duos and you are going to repeat this step with your other needle. You are going to sew up through the mini duo. Repeat this step with your other needle. Pick up one mini duo and we are going to cross our needles in that mini duo. Sew through the second hole of the mini duo and you are going to repeat this step with your other needle. Pick up two 11s, sew through the second hole of the mini duo and you are going to repeat this step with your other needle. Pick up two 11s, you earring hook, and one 11. With the other needle, sew through the 11, the earring hook, and the two 11s. Sew down through the two 11s and you are going to repeat this step with your other needle. And through the three mini duos. Repeat a step with the other needle. Reinforce cut your threads, and you should be done with your earring. If you like my videos, please share them with your friends, like the videos, and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.